Hi guys, today, I forgot what I was doing. Okay, today we will be blowing my hair and straightening it, yeah, or whatever you call it where you live, because I don't know what you call it, and I live in the Falklands, and they call it straightening and blowing, yeah, so, but a twist, I have curly hair. And you know, I can't freaking brush curly hair. So, I have to have this thing on. Oh, got it. It's this. This is what makes my hair. This is what makes my hair more smooth to brush. Then it helps my hair. And I need to wet my hair too. So let's go on a journey of doing all of this. You know, what experience me. And I know how to do makeup, but this video, I'm not gonna do makeup, okay? I'm sorry. Maybe in next video. Yeah? Okay. Water. Oh! It's cold! What is under my mirror? Oh, that's rust. How do I get it? Oh! Jesus! Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's better. Ow! The water's hot! Oh, here we go. Just burned my head off. Okay. I'm a rock star. I'm not a rock star. No. I don't get the vibe. I'm putting this stuff on my hand. If you don't know how to do this, I'm just giving you some tips. Watch this video, okay? If you're a boy and you're wanting to straighten your hair, I've been doing this for like almost 4 years now. I'm crazy. I love it. Everybody complains that I'm like a girl, but I'm not. I can do whatever I want to my body. Yeah, so you two guys, if people judge you, just annoy them. That's what I do. Because they're stupid. Is it their body? No. The haters out there, say to them, shut up, and you're not my parent, okay? Because they cannot control you. Like, I've been going through that because when I moved here, I'm from South Africa, and when I moved here, everybody hated me. And what is that stupid, ridiculous noise outside? Oh, it's a construction worker. I don't want any construction! Shut up! I can't really hear it. You can only hear me shouting, going on like a freak. Oh, okay. Oh, I call the gods. My hair's wet. Okay. Here we go. Blow dryer. Why the hell is the straightener not in the bag? Straightener? we got the thing to relax it on because you don't want to burn the house down. My brush. Oh, what me mum share? Oh, my mum. So